Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 216,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.